Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. And in today's video I'll show you how you can reactivate your Facebook account. And yes, before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, let's get started. So you will go to your Facebook app, and once your app is open, then you will just tap on this profile icon on your top right corner, tap on it. Then you will just go down, tap on the setting and privacy option. Then you will have this option called settings, tap on it, and then you will just scroll down and tap on this access and control option, tap on that option. And here you can see the second option, deactivation and deletion option. So you will just tap on that option. I'm showing you the process of deactivation so we can reactivate it. So apparently you can choose deactivate account, delete account. Even if you choose either of the options, reactivation process is the same. So I'll tap on this continue account deactivation, tap on that, and then you can choose any of the option, and then you can just tap on this continue option, tap on it. Then you can scroll down and see this reactivating your account option, where you will see the 7 days option. Tap on the 7 days option, and then you can see at the bottom of your list you will see don't reactivate automatically. So if you enable this option, then unless you would like to activate your account, Facebook will not automatically reactivate your account. So if you tap on that and then tap on this continue option, tap on it. If you want to keep using Messenger, you can just tap on this keep using Messenger option with the blue check mark, and then if you want your notification to pop up, then you can just tap on it again, and then you can just finally tap on this deactivate my account option, tap on that option. And as you can see, my account has been deactivated. You will go back and again open your Facebook app, and then you will see this login page. If your Facebook page is connected with your email, type in your email. If it's from number, type in, and then you will add in your password, and then just tap in this login option, and yes, you will again get logged into your account. So yeah, this is how you can reactivate your deactivated account on your Facebook app. And I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.